Here you go. Can you roll it into a ball? And then put it in the good. And then put it in the sugar. And shake it in the sugar. Get sugar all over it. Siren. You shake it in the sugar? Get sugar all over it, okay? You can use your finger if you need to roll it around a little bit more. Oh, put it back in. Okay, and then when you're all done, put it on the tray, okay? Good job, Jacob.